Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Ka Eastern Air Command jong ka Indian Air Force hakan retrek matau bna risau arajar khatpra klara khe ye Lyngkhuh Snem ka ba phrausau jong ka ne ka konhon sipai lengsoin da ka bapan ina mi ki lengsoin ye pom haka Air Festival 2018 ka ba ars ngilanter ka balalong hapo ALG apo Shillong haka ne ka sngi ki sipai lengsoin hilapan ipai ba ye kar kompan her ye ki lengsoin 3MI17 bat ka lengsoin 3SU 30 MKI hakiru kom ba per balatep kom ka flying past nang ta ka jingpan i yakar kom yakon Thma da ka kanhon sipai Commando palatep kom ka Garut MI17 pad hakani ka jingra khela pan inam ru yakitiar Thma jong ki sipai lengsoin jong katnat Indian Air Force yakani ka jingra khela tep kom ka 86 Air Force Day pe yakabala play da Air Marshal R Nambiar jong ka Eastern Air Command rengkat ka jiran lang ki wedi ki he sipai jong ka ne katnat sipai lengsoin
It has a fixed array airborne interceptor radar. Ladies and gentlemen, this is 30 MKI Thma formation. It is being led by Wing Commander Karan Dogra with its wingman Squad Leader Lalit Garg and Wing Commander Naveen Kumar Tiwari.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, you can see the Garud slipping down the line. Ladies and gentlemen, you can see the Mi-17 taking off his 5 Garuds on its tail. This special operation that you just witnessed is called Small Team Insertion and Extrication, in short, STI. If you look closely, ladies and gentlemen, they are also holding weapons. How to tackle someone who is attacking you with a knife. First from the front, thereafter from the back. Let's hear it for the Garud Commandos, ladies and gentlemen. The next one, disengagement of someone. Once again, a lovely demonstration, and now they will be carrying out disengagement of pistol on somebody who's pointing a pistol at you. First from the front and thereafter from the back.
सबने फांसी ले लिया इमीडिएटली कोई ऐसा इसका नहीं है
And another practical application, ladies and gentlemen, of disengagement of a rifleman who's pointing a rifle at you.
Hands up! Don't move! Good! Hands up!
The team is ready to increase your heartbeat by their thrilling performance and will perform all its advanced drilling rifle movements in 9 different formations. In the first formation, the square formation. On the square formation, the team will advance forward to present their respective rifle shoot and overview to all. Moving our team, the team makes a W formation right in front of you while performing a series of drill movements. The drill that they perform is a combination of intricate movements which is now presented to you after immense practice. In the air circle clockwise direction we have LAC Prakash Thakur, APS Jadon, DK Yadav, Radheshyam, Amarjit Chowta, Sandeep Thapa, Alok Sharma, VS Dhami and LAC LMS. In the outer circle clockwise direction we have LAC Jitendra Bhaiya, Mahipal, Sandeep, Binti, Arvind Kumar, TK Pradhan, VS Rathore, Rajendra Singh and LAC Ajay Yadav. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for the Garud. On behalf of the number 7 Air Force Band, JW SK Mitra. Let's hear it for the number 7 Air Force Band. Number 7 Air Force Band. Correction, 8 wire or 8 routine.
Today is our 86th anniversary celebrations. The Airfest is organized for this very purpose. This is an opportunity for us to open our doors and let the people of Shillong and nearby places to come and have a look at what we do, how we spend taxpayers' money, how we build up capabilities and how we do our work in a safe and correct fashion and demonstrate to the people of this area how the Indian Air Force is for them and will always remain for them. In the Northeast, the Indian Air Force is a very significant presence. The entire Eastern Air Command headquarters is based in Shillong, and all our units, almost all of them, other than a few in West Bengal, are located within the bounds of the 7 sister states. We have a lot of fighter assets, a lot of helicopter assets, a lot of transport assets, and in future we are also getting all the modern platforms that the Indian Air Force is procuring, including the Rafale, the Chinook helicopter and the Apache helicopter. All in all, I would simply put it that roughly about 30% of the Indian Air Force assets are based here in the Northeast. So you can imagine how important this area is for all of us.